Shark's next-generation Navigator vacuum includes the 0M cleaner head, which actively removes hair wrap from the brush roll. Its lightweight design and above-floor lift-away technology makes it easy to clean stairs, furniture, and other above-floor areas. Anti-allergen complete seal technology ensures dust and allergens do not escape from the vacuum back into the air you breathe. Swivel steering provides effortless maneuverability on both floors and carpets, allowing for seamless debris pickup in hard-to-reach areas.
Before performing any maintenance on your vacuum, always unplug the vacuum from the electrical outlet. Your vacuum has 2 filters that catch fine particles. You should check both filters monthly and wash or replace them every 3 to 6 months or whenever they become dirty. To locate the washable pre-motor filter, remove the Easy Empty dirt tank and push the lid release button located on the carry handle. Remove the foam filter from the filter tray. Check this filter frequently and wash it with a mild detergent when it becomes dirty. Be sure to dry the filter completely before replacing it in the vacuum. The post-motor filter assists in returning cleaner air to the room when you vacuum. To access the post-motor filter, remove the filter tray located beneath the Easy Empty dirt tank. Push the filter through the bottom of the tray to remove it. To remove light dust and debris, gently tap the filter on the side of a wastebasket. The post-motor filter is not washable and must be replaced when it becomes dirty. You can find replacement CleanView filters on Bissell.com. With regular maintenance and genuine Bissell replacement parts, your Bissell CleanView vacuum will continue to provide superior cleaning performance.
Simply open the door and empty the contents into a trash can. You may need to tap on the vacuum to get everything out. Make sure you've emptied the dust container. Some units may require you to pull aside the dust container like so. Remove the plated filter by pulling firmly and tap the filter vigorously to empty the dust. If your vacuum is the nozzle design, just press the buttons on the side and pull the nozzle off. Empty the contents into a trash can, tapping if necessary. If you notice a loss of suction in your vacuum, check the filter. Most Black & Decker vacuums have a plastic pre-filter and a pleated filter, which are reusable and should be cleaned regularly. To separate the cloth filter from the plastic pre-filter, twist the pre-filter in a clockwise direction. Shake or lightly brush any loose debris off both pieces. With both styles, it's a good idea to periodically wash the filter and the dust container. Just use warm soapy water and make sure the filter is completely dry before putting it back in the vacuum. Filters should be replaced every 6 to 9 months or whenever there is wear or damage.
Introducing the Hoover TurboPower high-performance vacuum cleaner, for when reach means everything. Simply plug in, and the long 7-meter cord allows you to go room to room without unplugging. And vacuuming your stairs couldn't be simpler with the 13-stair stretch hose. Efficient dust separation, airflow technology, and H-Lab designed floor nozzle combine to deliver independently tested A-class pickup from hard floors. Exceptionally long 13-meter cleaning reach. Multicyclonic, no loss of suction, and Hoover's advanced airflow technology combine to deliver independently tested outstanding cleaning performance. With a 3-in-1 crevice, upholstery, and dusting tool, simply attach the 4.5-meter stretch hose to reach those hard-to-clean places. The powerful Pet Turbo tool loosens and lifts stubborn pet hair. Introducing the Hoover TurboPower, high-performance cleaning with exceptional reach.